Okay, example 4, graph an ellipse which is not written in standard form. So we need to find the coordinates of the center and the foci and the lengths of the major and minor axes of an ellipse with the equation that is shown. So we're going to rewrite these with the x's together and the y's together, and then we need to complete the square. So 25x squared plus 250x plus 9y squared minus 36y. And I'm going to rewrite this 436. I'm going to take it to the other side, and it's going to be minus 436. Now I need to factor so I can complete the square. So I'm going to factor by 25. So x squared plus 10x, and I'm going to be adding something. And I'm going to factor by 9. So y squared minus 4y plus something. And this is going to be minus 436. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 squared is 25. Because I'm adding it, it's 25 times 25. So I need to add 25 multiplied by 25. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Because I'm adding 4, it's 9 times 4. So I need to add 9 times 4 to this side also. So now I'm going to simplify. So I'm going to factor this side now. I've got x plus 5 squared. So I have y minus 2 squared. And then on the right hand side, if I simplify this, this is going to be 225. Now to get it in the format that we need for the equation, I need this right hand side equal to 1. So I'm going to divide everything by 225. So if I do that, so 25 divided by is going to be a ninth. So I can rewrite this as x over 5 squared divided by 9. 9 divided by 225, that's 25, 1 over 25, so I'm going to write that as y minus 2 squared over 25, and then this will cancel to become 1, and there is our equation. Okay, so if we look at our equation, we can see that the y value is going to be the larger of the values because that's 5 squared, and the 9, that's going to be 3 squared. So we're going to rewrite the equation as y minus 2 squared over 25 plus x plus 5 squared over 9 is equal to 1. So we can see that the a value is 25 and the b value is, or b squared, a squared is 25 and b squared is 9. So we'll make a note of that. So a squared is 25, so a is 5. B squared is 9, so b is 3. Now we also need to find c, so we can do this with c squared is a squared minus b squared. So a squared 25 minus 9. C squared is 16, so c is 4. So we've got the information. So now we need to find the center. So to find the center, h and k, so we can look at our graph, and we have h is 5, so it's going to be minus 5, and k is going to be 2. So now we're going to put this into the equation. So for the vertices, we need to use, this is going to be h, k plus or minus a. And we need to find the foci, which is going to be h, k plus or minus c. So let's have a look at these. So first of all, the vertices. So h, we're going to have minus 5, 2 plus or minus a is 5. So we've got minus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. So it's minus 5, 7. Or minus 5 minus 3. So there's the vertices. And then to find the foci, our h is going to be minus 5, k is 2, and our c value is 4, so it's plus or minus 4. So we'll have minus 5, 6, or minus 5 minus 2. And we need to find the co-vertices. So to find the co-vertices, we're going to use h plus or minus b, k. So h is minus 5, plus or minus b is 3, and that's k. So minus 5 plus 3 is going to be minus 2. And k, change that to k is 2. So that's minus 2, 2. Or minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8 and 2. So now we need to graph. So we know the center. So if we had our coordinates, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2. So our center is going to be at minus 5, 2. So our vertices, so we have minus 5, 7. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got minus 5, 7. So minus 5, 7 is here, roughly. And then we have a minus 5, minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, minus 3. So that is here. So this is going to be our 2a. From here to here. Okay, so the foci is at minus 5, 6. So minus 5, 6, so that's going to be here. And at minus 5, minus 2. This is minus 2, so that's going to be here. And now we need the co-vertices. So co-vertices at minus 2, 2. So minus 2, 2. So that's going to be here. And at minus 8, minus 2. So minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So, and then we have minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So what do we want? Minus 8, minus 2. So that's going to be minus 8 plus 2. So that's going to be here. So if we were to draw this, this is going to be an ellipse that's going to look something like this.